All right, with this video, we are going to review how to finalize events from the League Central program. The finalization process simply takes events from League Central and pushes them out or exports them to the Schedule Star product. To complete this process is very simple. Once you are logged into the system, you want to navigate over to the left-hand panel and select Scheduling. From the expanded menu, you want to select Finalize Schedule. The next step is to simply select the gender, level, and sport that you wish to finalize. You also want to select a date range that encompasses all of the events that you wish to finalize, keeping in mind that if it's a 2-year schedule, you want to make sure you include the second year at the same time. Once you have the appropriate date range, click on Finalize. You will get a notice that this process is not reversible, and if you're sure you want to continue, select Yes. You will see the event start finalizing. It tells you how many schedules will be finalized as part of this process, and they get finalized in batches of 10. Once it's complete, you will get a confirmation notice at the top right-hand corner. At the same time, each of the schools included in the schedule you just finalized just received an email notification that their schedules have been completed and they can access them in their Schedule Star program. If you would like to confirm once more that your schedules have been finalized, you can very easily click over to the list view. Again, set your date range to match what you just finalized, and then select the gender, level, and sport that you just finalized. And in this status column on the far right, you will see all of those events have now been updated to indicate their finalized status. If you have any questions with this process, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@bigteams.com. They will be happy to assist you further.